Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sade. If you're older buddy goodie, welcome back. I'm starting out today's vlog in the car, and I told myself I need to limit the car vlogs because last vlog y'all had a whole lot of car footage. So I'm gonna try to do my best in this vlog. No promises not to vlog as much as in the car. But anyway, today is June 23rd. It's 10:32 a.m. I am heading to the gym. I'm actually right across from the gym. Usually when I go to the gym, I take like a pre-workout to give me some energy. My pre-workout is finished. It finished yesterday and I forgot to go get. So this morning I went to CVS to go get it. CVS is selling it for $28.99, and I feel like the last time I bought it at Walmart it was like $20. So I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not buying that. And then when I was home, I was like, oh, I'm gonna just drink some black coffee, right? Because I have black coffee in the house. And my brain is just all over this morning, so I had to stop at Starbucks and get some black coffee with, well, I guess it ain't black no more, with some almond milk. Starbucks black coffee is too bitter for me. The one at my house I can process better than this, but so I got some almond milk in it. Still not bad. But yeah, I woke up with the craziest headache of life. I don't know where this headache come from. Well, I kind of know. I am not doing keto. I'm not even doing low carb diet. So I ate rice last night. So I think rice is my trigger because I haven't had rice. I was so busy last night filming and everything that I didn't get to eat till late, and I didn't get to steam any cabbage or do anything like that, and rice was there, so I ate some rice. And I woke up with this headache. I woke up to go to the gym earlier and the headache, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just sleep it off. It did not go away, but this will not hinder me from going to the gym, so I am still going. No excuses, none. And watch when I'm done working out, this headache gonna be gone. Watch. The other day when my period came and I was like, oh, these cramps, and I was like, get your ass in the gym. And guess what I did? Went to the gym. That was the smoothest period after that. No pain. Yo, I don't know why lately I've been on edge. Let me put y'all over here and talk to you. So lately I've been on edge when it comes to being around people, like paranoid. Like, I don't know why, and I know why, but like, it sucks that this is what we live in. Like, I be at the gym paranoid. Everywhere I go, I be watching people, because people just be going and doing mass shootings. And I really don't want to be at the wrong place at the wrong time, because I want to be there for my little boy to grow up and see him grow. So, like, I'm just extra paranoid. Like, I don't know, this guy came in the gym yesterday and he was so sus. He didn't have workout clothes on, and he had like a vest thingy on, and I was like, and I kept watching him. I know you seen me watching him, but I kept watching him because I'm like, I'm all looking like Planet Fitness need to start telling us the codes to these rooms. If anything, we can run in there. But one was open. I was like, if anything, I'm going into that room and I'm gonna lock that door. I don't know how I'm gonna get out, because they got the codes. But guess what? 911 gonna come break the thing off. The firefighters gonna come break it off. But I don't know, I don't feel safe. And it's so funny, like, people always talk about, oh, Jamaica, you gotta be careful with the, I feel safe when I go to Jamaica. And I don't know if it's just my parts, but it's crazy, like, in the US I feel so unsafe. And granted, it can happen anywhere, so I'm not saying, but mass shoot, oh my god, I be so like paro. But anyway, I'm listening to some gospel. That's just been my little morning thing now. When I go to the gym, I don't know, I just be praying to God, like, God, give me the energy. God, help me through this workout. God, thank you. When I'm done, I'm like, thank you, Lord. Thank you, because it be looking hard sometimes. But anyway, I'm talking now for almost 9 minutes. Child, I'm gonna have to edit. But I love y'all. I love y'all so much. Thank you for all the love that I'm getting on the vlog that I just uploaded. Some of y'all are really funny in the comments. Oh, Speaking of comments, y'all, before I go, I just gotta tell y'all this one thing. I be wanting to talk to y'all like we here, we on the phone together. Let me tell y'all this one thing. So on my Instagram, it was like a couple days ago, this page, obviously, well, I don't know if it's a fake page, it looks like a page or whatever, but somebody commented, it was like, God just be creating anybody. I was like, yo, people are so mean. I mean, I laughed. That was my reaction, to be honest. Like, I don't feel some type of way. When you're doing these things, you literally have to have tough skin. Like, I mean, I've gotten my feels about comments before, and then I just, like, snap out of it. Like, at the end of the day, if you ain't got no haters, you ain't popping, period. What if that was my 13th reason? What if that was my 13th reason? You know what I'm saying? I'm just like, people are so mean. I would never comment with somebody like, God just be making anybody. What you mean? I'm a chop liver? Like, I mean, obviously there gonna be better chicks out there and prettier girls and all this, but at the end of the day, God gave me this life, this face, this body, and guess what I'm gonna do? Live with it. Live with it, because we're just passers through. Anyway, let me go ahead and listen to a gospel song. I think the coffee's working, child, and I only took a sip. So even though it's bitter, might be up to something. But anyway, this is what I try to get my spirit up a little bit before I go in. So here we go. I'll provide the sacrifice. You gotta take I'm broken gracefully. I'm strong when I am weak. I will be free. I'll be listening to that before I go in, and then stuff like this be on my playlist while I'm working out. God know the shrips. God know the shrips.
You see as a bad girl.
Yes, with the gym. Hey y'all, good morning. I know once y'all see me in a car looking like this, y'all know I'm going to the gym. However, before I get to the gym though, I am going to Bath and Body Works to go get some candles because they have their $10.95 sale, which used to be $9.95 or $8.95. Y'all remember that? Y'all remember? But anyway, inflation is up on us. So I'm going to Bath and Body Works. It's funny because my last candle is just like, it's at the bottom. So I'm going to go there. I'm not one to try out different scents, really, but I'm feeling frisky today. So I am going to go get champagne toast. I tried the dragon fruit something the last time. That was really good. And then cactus blossom, that's my favorite. When I was pregnant, I couldn't smell it that much, so hopefully I still like it. But yeah, because I love burning candles when I clean up and stuff. So I'm gonna go get four. Then I'm gonna go get four. Not gonna go crazy. I'm gonna just get 4 because I had 4 for a while and it lasted me like, well, because I was pregnant and I didn't like the smell of it. But anyway, that's where I'm going. Then I'm gonna go to the grocery store because we need water, so I'm gonna buy some water, and then I'm gonna head back to the gym. So it's 11:08 right now. My goal is to get back to the gym by 12 o'clock.
I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
Guys, it's 12:10 right now. I'm still not back at the gym yet. I feel so pumped because I started drinking my pre-workout. I'm hot. It's hot outside. Like, I'm just all over the place. I'm a mess. But I did get some stuff. I stopped at Bath and Body Works, Five Below, and Walmart. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got when I get home. Me and Sweets are going to the gym. We're finally getting the opportunity. No, I think we went together once or maybe twice before, but I just never vlogged it. And I know in the last vlog I was telling y'all like, we need to find like a schedule so that both of us can go together, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I feel like I like our alternate schedule when I go. I feel like when I go, that's my moment to like clear my head and do all of that. and I just be in my zone, just me. Even though I feel like when we go, it's not like we are up under each other working out or anything like that. We do 2 separate things. But we're going today because mommy is off. So yeah, it's 10:57 right now. Today is June something. Today is June 27th. Yeah, today's June 27th. Say good morning. Hey guys, so it is later on. We're about to go on the road. Our trip to Jamaica is coming up slow, like not even slowly, it's coming up, and we gotta get some stuff. So I'm going on the road right now, just browsing, don't really have any intention. I'm going to Old Navy. Old Navy got cute baby clothes, so I'm gonna go find stuff for Kai, who is making sounds for me to come get him out this car seat, but I'm not. You see yourself? You strapped all in there? Yeah. So yeah, so it's me, Kai, and mommy that's going on the road. I really want to get some stuff for Kai today. I do most of my shopping online, so I'm not really looking for much for me. If I find something, I find something, but the goal today is to go get stuff for Kai. And I feel like I love Old Navy. Old Navy got cute baby clothes, so I'm gonna go check out Old Navy. I'm gonna go up to Ross, and then I think that's about it. But I saw this cute suit in Old Navy that hopefully they still have it for Kai, and go back and get it. What you want to say? Add your piece in there. But you're not talking now. Guys, we're at Old Navy, but everybody's on, well, the girls that I watch on YouTube be raving about these dresses, and I think I want to try one. They're $35. Ooh, I think I like it too, because look, they got the underbrow thing on there. You got the slit. I love slits in my dress. I think I'm gonna go with a large just because Old Navy stuff fit a little. And I probably have to speed up this part. If I sound sped up, there's music playing. But they don't have my size. I'm gonna see what size is on this mannequin, because I will take it off. Let me see. How you see the size? What is probably on the tag on the side. Guys, I took it off the mannequin, so I got it. It was the only size large that they had left, so I got it. Ooh, they got the thing in the way. Come on, Old Navy. Good morning, guys. So my face look, you know, I just woke up and I brushed my teeth, washed my face, got dressed for the gym. So I'm about to I'm introducing apple cider vinegar into my regimen. You can add lemon to it, you can add honey to it. I'm just gonna take it to the head. I'm gonna just take it to the head. And I got my pre-workout right here. So after I take this shot, hold on. So after I take this is more than a shot. But after I drink this, I'm gonna just chug, well, I'm not gonna chug this, but I'm gonna take, basically I'm trying to kill the teas. Dang, I can't get my words out today. All right. You know when you know something is nasty? I know they say apple cider vinegar messes with your teeth, so maybe use a straw, but hey guys, good morning. Today is Saturday, July 2nd. It's a new month. It's a new day. It's a new month, new goals, new mindset, new all that, you know. Well, not necessarily new mindset for me. It's just adjusting. I feel like every time a month starts, it's my ability. I look at it as a fresh start, or like continuing or to improve on something. So my goals for the month of July is I'm for sure always practicing discipline. In no way, shape, or form, did this just zoom in? It sure did. In no way, shape, or form am I disciplined. I need to learn discipline. I feel like I have like financial discipline, but when it comes to like other stuff, I need to like really have discipline. So I'm practicing discipline in all aspects, especially right now. My main focus is eating and the gym, and just practicing a routine. I want to get a routine down. I want to start back my skin routine. I feel like I do it, but not like the way I want to. Like, I would just slap some sunscreen on my face and bounce. I want to like take time for myself and actually do, like, you know, establish a routine with me and with Kai, you know, and just, you know, kind of just romanticize it a little bit and not just take it for granted. I say all that to say my goal for July is definitely on disciplining the way I eat, the way I work out, just like little things, getting back into the groove of things. And also I'm practicing intermittent fasting, which comes with discipline as well. Work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me da, 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 da. Cause tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a la, 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 la. In the cafe, my da, 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 da. Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like me, not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Y'all, I use this as vaporizing rub. I use it to rub on my stomach. It helps my stomach sweat along with my sweat belt. I bought some gloves because I got into strength training, but I'm not going to take this out just yet. This is after I'm done with cardio. I'll come grab it and I'll go work out with these in my hand. But everything else, I just found an empty locker. I'll just put them up there. Alright, y'all, let's go work out. I'm not gonna be able to show y'all my workout, but I'm trying to get somebody to come to the gym with me so that they can record me and stuff like that. But maybe I'll come like one early morning when it's not as crowded and I can use my camera and everything like that. So this is the fit. I got everything from Amazon. I'll link them down below. I actually have a purple set and a gray set, but I mix matched them. So I'll link that down below. They're very nice, great material. Okay, all right, let's go work out. Hey guys, so cardio is done. This is what I'm looking like for cardio. I came to get my gloves. I'm about to go lift some weights now, and then I'm gonna finish up. The weight's gonna take me to about the hour mark. So about 24 to 30 minutes is what I'm gonna do on weights. Weights is honestly my favorite part. Cardio is cool, but like weights is where I really get my steam off, because I be lifting like, damn girl, you got issues. But I just wanted to check in and show y'all. I can't bring y'all inside because I don't have anybody recording for me, but I can give y'all the in between. So I did 30 minutes on the Stairmaster. I did, for the first 10 minutes, I did between level 3 and 5, and then for the next 20 minutes, I did intervals of up to level 10, and then I'll go down to level 5, level 10, and sometimes I stop, to be honest, but I try to push myself. I don't give myself that long of a break, maybe 20 seconds max, and I'm back on it. I have a love-hate relationship with the Stairmaster. So a tip, I'm no, gym person, but like a tip, if you're like me and you're struggling, you don't know where to start, find the machine that you love the best and give it your all. If you're not a treadmill person, don't go on a treadmill. If you're not a Stairmaster person, don't go on a Stairmaster. If you're a bike person, go ahead and pedal, push yourself though. And then just, I'm taking that advice as I'm giving it to y'all. So yeah, back to working out because this is too long of a break. See y'all at the end. Guys, this is it. I did 55 minutes, 406 calories and 539 overall. 406 is the active one, so that's what I got from this workout. When I was moving, I'm done. I don't feel exhausted or anything, but I gotta go run some errands and stuff, and Sweet's gotta come to the gym, so that's good enough. 55 minutes. I could have went 5 minutes, but
by the time I'm done with my errands, I'm gonna be, you know. Anyway, I closed my move ring and I closed my workout, my exercise ring. I just gotta close my stand ring. I'm not too fussy on the stand ring, to be honest, because I don't wear this watch throughout the day anymore. I usually do it when I'm teaching and stuff, but y'all, my camera is dirty. Guys, I'm in Target. I need to pick up a body wash. This is the body wash that I love. But I tried, no, I didn't try that one. Which one did I try? I don't see the one that I tried recently, but I also like it. I think it's this one that I tried, this purple one. But this is my OG staple. They got 2 packs for $15, but then they have this size for $10. Let's do some math. This is 16 fluid ounces, so that's 32. This is 30 for $10, so $5 more for 2 more. I think's not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my usual again. I want to do like a hygiene, me picking up hygiene stuff video. Let me know if y'all want to see that. So yeah, comment that down below if y'all want to see that. Y'all, I'm already in Target picking up stuff that I don't need. Y'all know when you walk into Target, they have stuff like in the front part to get your money. So I saw this electric facial cleansing brush. Now, do I have one? Yes, but I feel like the ones that I have are old and they're probably not as clean. So this is like a silicone one. This is a silicone one. It's $5, so I'm gonna try it. And I got a makeup brush mat. I need to wash my makeup brush, like wash them really badly. So this is perfect. This is also a reminder on when washing them. So, and then where did I put the body wash at? I put it back. And I'm getting this body wash. I came in here for my Vaseline oil, like I was telling y'all, but do I know where it's at? No. This is what I came for. $7.89. I'm gonna get like 2 of them because they're hard to find, so I'm gonna pick up 2. Shots on arrival. They're like, I need me a chaser.
I just moved back to Philly, so you know I'm about to be on my full-time vlogging shit.
My dope in the bush, dope in the bush. I know how to bitch good looking, bitch good looking, bitch good looking. My dope in the bush, I know how to cook. Yeah. I did the digital dash. I put the bitch on the balcony. I did it in your blast. I said it to my mama. You ain't get it. Mama, you rats will never be honorable. They know I'm gonna get up my word.
So guys, I wanted to show y'all the dress that I got from Old Navy. This is it. Run to Old Navy and get this dress, y'all. Like, I'm not even wearing a bra. It's supportive. It's tied at the back. It got the bra piece underneath, showing the mom bod. But yeah, and the back is open, but it's really nice. It got 2 slits on the side. I was definitely giving mom vibes today. I put my hair up because it is 30 inches and I'm hot. But I came home and I gave Kai a bath. Whenever I take him out, the first thing I do when I get back is give him a bath. He's sleepy right now. He's just fighting his sleep, aren't you? You want your binky? There you go. Say night night. Say night night. So I'm about to go get myself ready for bed and I'll check y'all tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? It is Tuesday, I think. I feel like every time I try to do weekly vlogs, it roll over to like a 2-week vlog. We're getting to the end of the vlog. I'm not sure the direction of this vlog. I was just vlogging, child, so it might be over the place. Whenever I do weekly vlogs, it's kind of all over the place. But when I do like
intentional vlog. So if I'm doing a maintenance vlog or I'm doing like a prep vlog or something like that, it's easy for me to stay on track and it has a theme and whatever. So let me know what type of vlogs y'all prefer. Do y'all prefer weekly vlogging just to see what I'm doing throughout the week? Do y'all rather like more themed vlogs? Just let me know down in the comment section. I made some food earlier. Your girl's been cooking. Like, I've been cooking a lot. I've been cooking a lot at home. I'm trying to remember the last time I ate out, like got food outside the house. It's been a minute. It's been a minute because I've been cooking. I've really been cooking inside. Disclaimer, I ate lunch out of it. Shava ate. Sweets ate. My mom ain't eaten it yet. But so I'm gonna show y'all. So some of it is already, you know, people already got in it. But let's see what I made. I made some corn. I made like a seafood thing, y'all. It was so freaking good. Like, it has shrimp in it. No, it does not. It look like them Nemo with the shrimp. But I got some snow crab legs. I bought some corn. We got some carrots in there, some sweet pepper, some potato. So good. I made a little bit of rice because we're not supposed to, well, the boys eat rice. Well, me and my mom not really eating rice like that. I did have a cup of rice though. And this is what me and my mom really be eating, this cabbage, okay? And it's a little burnt, so if you see it has a little different color, my bad, y'all, my bad. Oh, not only that, I made some chicken. I made some jerk chicken in the oven. So yeah. So that is all I made. I'm about to share me a plate. It is 7:04 right now. I'm intermittent fasting, so I'm trying to get done eating by like 7:30, 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna share my food out. I'm gonna take my time and eat. So I probably don't stop eating until 8 o'clock. But I just want to share my food out and stuff like that. I'm doing a 16/8 intermittent fasting. So basically I fast for 16 hours, and that includes time when I sleep. So I don't eat after 8. I don't have a specific time. It's like 8 o'clock every night. I just try to make it early so I'm not too hungry the next day. Because the last time, a couple days ago, the last time I ate was like 9. It was at like 10:41. And I couldn't eat until 2:41 the next day. Your girl was starving, okay? I was so hungry. But, and I could have eaten, like, I'm not punishing myself or anything, but I'm also practicing discipline. I think at the beginning of this vlog, I was telling y'all that I'm really practicing discipline, and that's what I am. My turtles just started me. But that's what I'm doing. So let's make this plate and I'm gonna come back to y'all.
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got to kill a man. Ratty gang for me gang pussy run up with your bro. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, see a little top and I could have run in your yard and take a 3 pints. Babylon, Panellian in the street.
Alright y'all, so this is my plate. I got half of a corn on a cob, about a cup of steamed cabbage, and I put some of the seafood sauce on there with carrots and 2 shrimps, and I got my jerk chicken. I just cut a piece of it, so I'm eating the thigh. And as far as my diet go, I'm not necessarily doing anything crazy. I'm just trying to eat right. I'm just trying to watch my portions. I'm just trying, you know, as far as counting calories, I kind of am, but I'm not at the same time. Well, I am. I'm not gonna say that. I just don't stress count. I don't stress count. I'll put it in my fitness pal. I'm kind of familiar with counting calories, so I know like what areas, like what foods I can consume that are like, you know, not that much calories and stuff like that. So I think when I calculated everything on my fitness pal by putting my weight, my height, my goals and everything like that, I think they schedule me for like 16-20 calories, but I think I'm doing 15-20 or something like that. I've never passed 15-20. I got real close. I got like 14.99 or something like that, which I'm not stressing about, but I just don't want to, you know, OD it. I'm trying to be very conscious about what I'm eating and everything like that, by making it realistic. I feel like a lot of times why I fail on me, like, you know, on my health journey, it's because I deprive myself of rice. I deprive myself of stuff that I'm Caribbean, and at the end of the day, I know that people are Caribbean and they can cut that stuff out, but that ain't me. So I'm trying to make it as realistic as possible so that I'm still consuming stuff like I don't, because my intention isn't to, oh, I'm gonna get to this weight and be like, oh yeah, and I'm start eating what I want to eat again, because that's how people gain the weight back. So if I'm still eating, I'm still consuming like regular foods that I know that I'm still gonna eat, because it's just a part of my culture. I feel like it's gonna be, I'm gonna have better retention of the weight when I lose it. I'm 2 pounds down already. 2 pounds, ew, it's better than nothing. I'm also not tracking the scale. I went on there because I needed my body fat percentage. That's the only reason I went back on a scale, but I'm not really watching that. But I'm not stressing myself out. It's literally day 5 of me being consistent. I feel like in June was my practice run, but it's literally day 5 of me like generally being consistent with intermittent fasting, with working out, and with eating. So yeah, I'm gonna do a taste test, even though I mean I didn't eat the cabbage earlier, but I know how the seafood and stuff tastes. And I didn't taste the chicken either because that wasn't done. 10 out of 10. Cabbage is my vegetable. Like, I feel like a lot of times when people go on diets, they'll go force themselves to eat spinach. I don't really like spinach, so I'm not gonna force myself to eat spinach. The chicken is good. I always make the chicken real spicy. I'm gonna show y'all. Look at that white meat. Look at it, y'all. So good. So good. I might make some sauce later for the boys. I keep calling them boys, but if you're new to my channel, Sweets is my boyfriend, Shav is my brother. So I might make some sauce for Sweets and Shav. I know my mom probably not gonna mess with the sauce because we're kind of like trying to eat right, and I don't really want no sauce. I got some off of the seafood thing that I made, so I'm fine with that. And I'm not really a sauce girl anyway. Unless the chicken was dry. My chicken don't dry. Anyway, let me go upstairs because Kai has a sensor on me that I can't find, because every time I leave the room, this boy wake up on a ball. Like, how do you know? He has a sensor on me. What I tell y'all? Kai! Baba! Hey! Hey!